Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Samsung. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of your app. Now you need to select Open in Split Screen View, select the other one, and as you can see after that I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!